Welcome to a world where beauty and style meet expertise. Welcome to Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy. Our academy is a hive of creativity and learning, where we empower individuals to explore their passion for beauty and styling and shape it into a skill set that's in high demand. We're thrilled to announce that registration is now open for one-on-one tutorial sessions with our senior beautician. These sessions are not just about learning, they're about growing, experimenting, and mastering the art of beauty and styling. And the best part? Upon completion, not only will you receive a certificate of recognition, but also a starter kit to kickstart your journey, and a 30-day mentorship program for guidance and support. With Myface Academy, your beauty and styling dreams are just a tutorial away. Now let's switch gears and dive into the heart of today's topic: planning for a wedding in South Africa. The land of the Rainbow Nation is rich with diverse cultures and traditions, which are vibrantly displayed in its wedding ceremonies. In South Africa, we primarily celebrate two types of weddings: white weddings and traditional weddings. Each has its own charm, and yet there are common threads weaving them together into a memorable tapestry. A white wedding is the classic Western-style celebration, complete with a white bridal dress, a formal ceremony in a church or wedding venue, and a reception with a cake and a dance floor. It's a beautiful blend of tradition and elegance that never goes out of style. On the other hand, a traditional wedding is a cultural extravaganza deeply rooted in the customs of South Africa's diverse ethnic groups. It's a vibrant celebration filled with traditional music, dance, and attire, where the couple's families unite in a joyous, colorful spectacle. Regardless of the type of wedding you choose, the key to a successful celebration is meticulous planning. Booking your venues, caterers, and photographers weeks in advance can save you from last-minute stress. And don't forget about the legalities. Getting your marriage license sorted should be at the top of your checklist. But don't let the planning process intimidate you. It's a journey, a build-up to one of the most memorable days of your life. So take a deep breath, embrace the process, and remember to enjoy every step along the way. Remember, a successful event starts with a well-thought-out plan. So, whether you're dreaming of a white wedding or planning a traditional celebration, keep these points in mind, and you'll be setting the stage for a wedding that's as beautiful and unique as South Africa itself. So, what does it take to pull off a memorable wedding in South Africa? Here's a comprehensive checklist. Let's start with the venue. Whether you're planning a traditional or a white wedding, the venue sets the tone for your celebration. It should be booked months in advance to ensure you get your preferred date. Make sure it aligns with your theme, can accommodate all your guests comfortably, and has all the necessary facilities. Next up is the wedding attire. This is where personal style shines. For a traditional wedding, you might consider vibrant African prints and accessories. A white wedding calls for a classic tuxedo and a dreamy white gown. Don't forget to arrange for fittings and alterations well in advance. Then there's the catering. Food and drink are at the heart of any celebration. Whether you're serving traditional South African cuisine or a gourmet menu, ensure that your caterer understands your vision. Also, consider dietary restrictions and preferences of your guests. The decor is another crucial element. It involves everything from table settings to floral arrangements. The decor should reflect your theme and personal style. Engage a professional decorator, or if you're creatively inclined, you might choose to DIY some elements. Remember to book a professional photographer and videographer to capture all the beautiful moments. You'll cherish these memories for years to come. Let's not forget the entertainment. A great DJ or live band will keep your guests entertained and the dance floor busy. You might also consider additional entertainment like traditional dancers or a photo booth. Then, there are the invitations. These should be sent out at least 2 months in advance. They should match your theme and provide all the necessary information about the wedding. Last but not least, consider hiring a wedding planner. They can help you coordinate all these elements and ensure that everything runs smoothly on the big day. With this checklist, you have a roadmap to a successful wedding. Now that we've covered planning, let's talk about gifts. Here are the top 10 most popular wedding gifts in South Africa. First up, we have kitchen appliances. From blenders to coffee makers, these practical gifts are an absolute hit, helping the newlyweds to stock up their kitchen with all the essentials. Secondly, we can't forget about fine dining sets. A beautiful set of dinnerware or cutlery is always a classic wedding gift. appreciated for its elegance and utility. Next, we have the ever-popular gift cards. These allow the couple to choose what they need or prefer, providing them with the freedom to shop at their leisure. Fourth on our list are home decor items. Be it a stylish wall clock, a striking piece of art, or some trendy cushions, these gifts add a personal touch to the couple's new home. Moving on, we have the fifth most popular gift, bed and bath linens. A set of plush towels or luxurious bed linens are gifts that promise comfort and are always appreciated. Next up, we have personalized gifts. These could range from custom-made artworks to monogrammed items, and are cherished for their thoughtfulness and uniqueness. Seventh on the list, we have outdoor grilling sets. These are perfect for couples who love to entertain, offering a fun and practical solution for outdoor cooking. Eighth, we find the classic wedding gift of crystal and glassware. A beautiful decanter or a set of champagne flutes adds a touch of elegance to any home. Ninth on our list are high-quality luggage sets. For couples who love to travel, this is a gift that will surely be put to good use. And finally, rounding up our top 10, we have charity donations. A gift that gives back. These donations are made in the couple's name to a cause they hold dear. Remember, the best gift is one that comes from the heart. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip for our viewers. When planning your wedding, whether it's a traditional ceremony or a white wedding, there's one detail that often gets overlooked, and that's waste management. Yes, you heard it right. From the champagne bottles to the decorative materials, weddings generate a considerable amount of waste. But here's how you can turn this into a positive. Firstly, get in touch with your local municipality. If you're hosting your wedding on a private estate, contact your agent. Ask for permission to close the street for your event. This will ensure that your guests can celebrate without any interruptions. But here's where the magic happens. Request the municipality for a special refuse and waste collection service post your wedding. This means that all the waste generated at your wedding will be promptly collected and disposed of, leaving you with one less thing to worry about. Here's the bonus part. Try to separate your waste: food, plastics, tins, and glass. Not only is this an eco-friendly practice, but it can also generate some income. Yes, you can actually make money from your wedding waste. Some local farmers may be interested in your food waste for composting, and recycling centers may pay for your separated plastics, tins, and glass. It's a win-win situation, contributing to the environment and your wallet. So remember, when planning your wedding, think about the waste you'll generate and how you can manage it effectively. Remember to leave a comment with your questions or suggestions. Which tips do you want us to share next time?